Budgie, or Parakeet.
The budgie or parakeet is among the smallest parrot species commonly kept as pet. They are also one of the most popular pet birds in the world, due in part to the fact that they are quite affordable. These small parrots are exceedingly friendly and easy to tame. The normal wild coloration of a budgie is a light green with black bars on its wings, back, and head. Typically, mature females have a tan or beige cere, and the male have a bluish cere. Young budgies also have bar markings on their foreheads that recede with age, and their eyes typically have dark irises that gradually become gray with age. Through selective breeding in the pet trade, a huge variety of colors and patterns are available, including violet, blue, yellow, pied, albino, and the classic neon green. They are gentle and docile birds, also very easy to tame, especially if acquired at a young age. Pairs of birds make good company for each other, but when living pairs and entertaining one another, they may not bond as well with their owners or mimic speech as fluently. Budgies are also very playful, active, and quieter than some other types of parrot. Like most parrots, budgies are social birds and seem to be happiest when kept in pair. Single bird is fine as long as you're able to spend significant amount of time interacting with them. Since they're small, budgies are relatively inexpensive to care for and feed. Thank you for watching.